Dear students of Standard 6, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Islam and Moral Education class. Dear students, today we will go to lesson 7 from chapter 2 of your textbook, that is Salat. Salat is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. It is obligatory upon all mature Muslims and highly recommended for children aged 10 and over to complete their 5 times daily prayers. Salat is an Arabic word. Its lexical meaning is prayer, mercy, and seeking forgiveness, etc. According to Islamic terminology, worshipping Allah in a specific way and at fixed times with arkam and ahkam is called salat or prayer. The best way to show subjection to Allah is prayer. Prayer or salat stands second in importance among the pillars of Islam. A hadith says, Islam is founded on 5 pillars and salat is the most important among them. Without salat, we can't establish Islam. Salat or prayer prevents man from doing unfair deeds. Allah proclaims in the Quran saying, verily prayers prevent human beings from doing obscene and evil deeds. One who performs prayers will achieve dignity in this world and in the hereafter he will achieve Jannat. In this regard, the great Prophet ﷺ says, Salat is the key to heaven. As a person having a key to any room can enter there easily, anyone establishing Salat can easily enter Jannat. Therefore, Salat is a very important worship. Salat builds a strong defense against evils which exist around us. It is said in the Holy Quran that surely Salat keeps you away from indecency and evil. Salat wipes out our sins. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ once asked his companions, tell me if there was a river at the doorstep of one of you in which you washed 5 times a day, would any of your dirt remain? When he received the reply that none of it would remain, he then said, that is like the 5 times salah with which Allah wipes out all the sins. Significance of Salat. The sins of a believer are absolved through Salat. The great Prophet ﷺ also said, the person who safeguards his Salat will have it as light, document and salvation on the day of judgment. But the person who fails to safeguard Salat will not find light, document and salvation in the form of Salat on the day of the judgment. In the Hashar, he will be with Karun, Firaun, Haman and Ubay ibn Khalf. The significance of Salat can't be said in words. Still, some significance of Salat are mentioned here. Salat stands next only to Iman in Islam. It is the only distinction between a mu'min and a non-mu'min. That is, a person who is a true mu'min always performs Salat regularly, but a non-mu'min never is serious in performing Salat. Salat is a practical sign of obedience to the commands of Allah. It is the practical proof of our faith in Allah and Islam. So, to forsake Salat intentionally is kufr. Salat is the pillar of Islam. That is, without Salat, Islam cannot be established. Salat was the last will of the Prophet ﷺ. As his soul departed, he said with his last breaths, As-salah, as-salah, that is, how much importance he has given to Salat. Importance of Salat. Salat is the first thing that a person is judged by on the day of judgment. If it was good, the rest of all his deeds will be good. But if it was poor, the rest of all his deeds will be poor. This narration sets a clear declaration as to how we will be judged on the day of judgment. That is how important Salat is. It was the first command in Islam. It was the last will of the Prophet ﷺ. And it is the first act that we will be judged by on the day of judgment. Therefore, we need to know why it is so important and how we can uplift our prayers and make our Salat in the manner that will give us the reward in this life and in the hereafter. Students, now let us go through lesson 8, timing for Salat. Praying 5 times a day is obligatory for every adult Muslim who is physically and mentally capable of doing so. The times of prayer are spread throughout the day so that worshippers are able to continually maintain their connection to Allah. Salat is an act of worship. It has no equal, it has no alternative. There are no excuses even when you are ill, on a journey, or even in a war. It is the order of Allah for us to say the prayers on time. It is a compulsion to say prayers punctually. Now, let us know the 5 times Salat. Salatul Fajr, Salatul Zuhr, Salatul Asr, Salatul Maghrib, Salatul Isha. The Salat of Fajr. The time for saying the Salat of Fajr starts with the Subh Sadiq and continues up to the sunrise. Subh Sadiq means the time of the appearance of the line of light that is visible in the eastern sky. Salat of Zuhr. The time for Zuhr prayer starts as the sun tilts in the western sky after midday. It begins when the sun moves down from its highest position at midday. It ends when the shadow of something becomes twice its length. The Salat of Asr. The time for Asr prayer starts with the end of the time for Zuhr prayer and lasts up to the sunset. However, it is an act of makruh to say the Asr prayer when the golden rays of the sun assume a yellow hue. The Salat of Maghrib. The time for Maghrib prayer starts at sunset, that is, it starts after the sun sets completely below the horizon and continues as long as the red hue persists in the western sky. The time of Maghrib prayer is very short, so it is better to perform the prayer as soon as the time starts. The Salat of Isha. The time for Isha prayer starts when the time for Maghrib prayer ends and continues up to the Subh Sadiq, but it is better to perform the prayer before midnight. It is an act of makruh to say this prayer after midnight. There is another Salat known as Witr Salat. Witr Salat is a prayer or Salat that is performed at night after Isha or before Fajr. The real time for saying Witr prayer is the late hours of the night, but it may be performed along with Isha prayers, but it cannot be performed before the Isha prayers. There should be no doubt in our minds and hearts about the need to establish regular prayers. It is vital for our present community and it is vital for our future generations. Salat teaches us strict discipline and punctuality. A believer has to perform Salat 5 times a day which develops a sense of punctuality and other moral values. And if morality is improved, one will attain honor and dignity in worldly life and the hereafter. Thank you, dear students. Be safe, be blessed. Allah Hafiz.